The silent struggle: plants versus insects. Plants may seem passive, but they are masters of survival, locked in a constant battle for resources with hungry insects. This silent struggle has shaped their evolution for millennia. For us, this battle impacts our food supply and planet's health. Plant resistance is key to sustainable agriculture. Naturally, resistant varieties reduce pesticide use, benefiting the environment, human health, and economy. Imagine lush green crops, untouched by pests. This is the promise of plant resistance. Understanding plant defenses helps protect our food supply. It's a journey into chemical warfare and evolutionary arms races, where cutting-edge science meets traditional knowledge, offering hope for a sustainable, food-secure future. A threefold defense: resisting the invaders. Plants deploy a remarkable arsenal of defenses to deter, repel, and even poison their insect attackers. These defenses fall into three main categories: antixenosis, antibiosis, and tolerance. Antixenosis makes plants less appealing to insects. Think of it as camouflage for the dinner plate. Physical features like hairy leaves or tough cuticles deter insects. Others release volatile compounds to repel insects. Antibiosis involves producing toxic chemicals. These disrupt insect growth and development. Alkaloids are a common example. Tolerance allows plants to withstand damage. They can regrow or compensate for lost tissue. These strategies are often combined. Many plants use multiple defenses to maximize protection. Building better plants. Breeding and engineering for resistance. For centuries, farmers have been selecting and breeding plants with desirable traits, including insect resistance. By choosing plants that exhibit natural resistance and crossing them over generations, breeders have developed crop varieties that are better equipped to withstand insect pressure. In recent decades, advances in genetic engineering have provided new tools for enhancing plant resistance. Scientists can now identify and transfer specific genes responsible for resistance traits from one plant to another. This allows for the development of resistant varieties more quickly and precisely than traditional breeding methods. One notable example is the development of Bt crops. These plants contain a gene from the bacterium Bacillus thuringiensis, which produces a protein toxic to certain insects. Bt crops have been successful in reducing insect damage and pesticide use in several major crops. However, the use of genetic engineering in agriculture is not without controversy. Concerns about potential environmental impacts and the control of genetically modified organisms, GMOs, have sparked public debate. As we continue to explore these technologies, it is crucial to carefully consider the potential risks and benefits. The future of farming: plant power for a sustainable world. Plant resistance is not just a scientific curiosity, it is a critical component of building a more sustainable and food-secure future. By harnessing the power of plant defenses, we can reduce our reliance on synthetic pesticides, which have detrimental effects on human health, biodiversity, and the environment. Imagine a world where farmers rely on the natural defenses of plants to protect their crops. This would mean fewer chemical inputs, healthier ecosystems, and safer food for everyone. While this vision may seem idealistic, it is within our reach. By investing in research, promoting sustainable farming practices, and embracing the diversity of plant life, we can unlock the full potential of plant power. The future of agriculture depends on our ability to work with nature, not against it. Plant resistance is a key to achieving this goal. The silent struggle between plants and insects continues, but we are no longer passive observers. By understanding and harnessing the power of plant resistance, we can tip the scales in favor of a more sustainable and abundant future for all.